ERP customers rule, okay? Recently I blogged about how people drive enterprise resource planning systems to success. The tools that leverage superior people performance in turn can enhance the business performance of ERP systems in an organization. The social phenomenon known as social media marketing can play an important part in ERP performance in the future. Let's see it from the customer user perspective. The social media marketing big four of Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube, together with blogs, websites and intranet pages, offer the following possible benefits for ERP customers and users. Promoting your site or business. Improved marketing, PR and customer service. A powerful strategy to gain connections and knowledge. Conversations with vendors and ERP experts directly. Conversations with other ERP customers and users. Easy searching of ERP vendors and experts. Easy searching of other ERP customers and users. Groups sharing best practices and knowledge. Personalization. Find people you know, like and trust. Cost-effective marketing solutions. Obtaining recommendations and references. Online business meetings. Intranet pages for ERP user communities. And asking questions and asking for help. ERP key objectives should include automating processes, achieving cost savings, informing stakeholders, otherwise known as reporting, effective information for competitive advantage, educating users and managers to utilize the full potential of ERP systems, transforming the way business is done, use ERP systems to change for the better. Organizations which fail to maximize the potential of ERP systems display similar problems such as heavy customizations, a lack of planning and management, disgruntled users, ad hoc ancillary systems in Microsoft Excel and Access, an array of reporting tools, problematic interfaces, and are often IT driven. There is a big hole between the users and the IT application support team, and much disappears down it. Could it be that, just like people, ERP systems need behaviours and attributes to drive them to success? I believe even in successful ERP implementations, the go live is the halfway mark at best. So what are the drivers for ERP performance success? In my experience, I would suggest the following. Actually managing ERP applications, successful change management, leading the support team, measuring success and value for money, data and information management, customers and collaboration, reporting and business intelligence, empowerment and super users, change control and value for money, project management kept simple, and process improvement. So how can the features, tools and strategies of social media marketing support these drivers? Well, a little brainstorming suggests the following. The search and selection of ERP vendors can be supported by finding and conversing with vendors' existing customers about the suitability of the solution. Recruitment of ERP staff and contractors follows the same line. There should be greater visibility of both ERP strategy and business ownership of ERP systems in the organization. Greater personalization and visibility will enable companies to become demand-driven ERP users rather than supply-driven. Successful change management can be supported by more informal and rapid communications of visions, strategies, online training, online presentations, conversations, and the publication of short-term wins. The team can be fired up by a leadership alliance and team of change agents, both visible and consistent in their messages. An effective support team can be enhanced by joining online communities and social media sites around ERP systems. They can listen to their users daily about their pain points. Support updates, training tips and system downtimes can be communicated by text or video. They should use intranet forms for support service requests, ensuring requests reach support analysts almost immediately. Both technical and business performance can be measured, published, discussed and improved using online communities. Such communities can undertake their own benchmarking initiatives covering ROI, service requests, customer analysis, efficiency analysis, change requests, and the efficiency and effectiveness of ongoing training provision, including online delivery. Business process, data and information management best practices can also be published and discussed in social media groups and intranet pages. It is so important to clearly define your customers and users, then collaborate with these colleagues in organizations using engagement models and custodianship models. These define clearly and consistently engagements, roles, responsibilities, duties, etc. Using social media tools can enhance communications and teamwork, especially between the business and the IT team. ERP reporting and business intelligence are minefields which again need the collaboration of the business and IT teams. The healthier and more personalized this relationship will surely improve the chances of clearly defining requirements and jointly seeking optimal solutions from vendors. ERP super users can enhance their teamwork, training and education using social media tools. This should help fill the hole between IT and the business. There are many resources available out there to be consumed, discussed and shared in their communities. Their customers include users, managers, auditors and other stakeholders can also join in these conversations. Organizations can improve change request control and securing value for money processes by increasing visibility and inviting rapid feedback from all functional analysts and business colleagues too. Project management can be kept simple and more effective by building relationships between all stakeholders and using online meetings and social media tools to enhance communications, project reporting, asking for help, mitigating risk and fixing issues. Social media marketing is about personalization, people talking to each other and nurturing relationships. People working and doing business with those they know, they like and they trust. There is greater participation, openness and willingness to help. There are many tools which can be utilized, such as forums, groups, fan pages, profile searches, recommendations, etc. Organizations need to have a social media strategy which leverages the benefits and mitigates the security and PR risk, and manages changing relationships with vendors. The costs of social media marketing are a fraction of the potential rewards. There are real cost savings out there to be gained from improved ERP selection, recruitment of resources, and fiercer and fairer competition between ERP vendors. A highly motivated IT and business alliance can leverage the drivers of ERP performance and drive greater value from ERP systems. To be continued very soon.